Alright, let's check if everything's working. Something didn't work, let's check it out. Why didn't that work? Oh, actually it did. Alright, looks good. I think everything looks good. So we can keep going. So the goal today is to finish the airborne fight, where we are in the air, slapping some wizards or armors and killing some rats. So one issue is I want that skull coming out of the armor when it spawns, but somehow it's not doing it. And I don't know why. And I also need to implement some health bar for the armor, so you cannot infinitely shoot it. Because that would defeat the point. And you can die in this fight, so I have to implement that as well. And I don't get why the rats are not... yeah, right. The rats cannot die when they fly out. That's true. Maybe we should change that. Maybe they should be able to die. Let's see. Fly out for half a second. So actually I think that I do that in the rat. Yep. 2 seconds they fly out, but they're not. I feel like I should maybe get some just really small timers, so that's the time they're gonna be invulnerable. Set them to invulnerable, so they don't go back into the armor directly. Let's see if 0.1 seconds is enough. Nope. 0.1 second was not enough. Alright, let's put it to like 0.3. Might still not be enough. I might have to put it to half a second. Almost. Alright, let's put it to half a second and also put this to 1.5 so we don't... Oops, that was too much. We don't want that. We don't want them flying around for 11 seconds. Hold on, did I just... Yeah, I just did the wrong one. Alright. Yeah, it still swallowed some of them back in, but that's not that much of an issue, I think. Still don't get... I mean, Fireball is kind of the wrong thing to do with those. You'd rather spawn some tornadoes. nuke them directly with the... Wait, are they so long and vulnerable? Why? Should nuke most of them. Maybe I do have to make their hitbox bigger. Seem like to be invulnerable for a pretty long time, which they shouldn't be. Only one left. Dude. Alright, we're done. It was fun. Why? How could I do this? Could find a new layer for them so that they get hit by the armor at all. But they're hit by... Should be hit by projectiles. Oh, that's the problem. There's my problem. Alright. I don't even know why I need to set this. Ah, this is to go back. Actually, this shouldn't matter at all. This matters at all. Never mind. I was totally wrong on that one. This doesn't matter for... because this is just for a collision with armor. I want a collision with the reds. Oops. Or with the projectile, rather. Okay, why are they not... Okay, I gotta check this. Okay, let's... It's a rat, so... Why is it not triggering the armor? Why is it triggering something else? What do we have there? Oh, is it colliding with the tentacle? Is it? Or with the armor mouth, that could be it. Actually, that's only triggering. That shouldn't trigger. It might though. Let's debug this real quick. I have to check out who is hitting it. So... let's print out the body name real quick. Body name. See what it is. Okay, who's triggering? It's a rigged body. Oh, it's the lightning itself. True, the lightning kills it directly, that's true. That would be a short way to kill rats. So they have to be invulnerable for a short time. How are we gonna do this? Could you take that mask off? That should make them invulnerable. And put the mask back on just directly after they pop. Nope, that was the wrong one apparently. Yep, that was good. Alright, I need to add the layer as soon as they're popped. Should be... here should be enough actually if I add it here. Actually, here. And its collision layer. deactivate this here. Else the spawn lightning will kill them. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, still killed. Why are they still killed? Maybe it's too early. Yeah, I guess they spawn on the body. Should I spawn them a little bit out, or just wait a second? Let's just wait a second. This should do it. Looks like that's better. Okay, I can shoot them directly when they come out. Looking good. I need to put cooldowns on spells because some spells are just too broken. Like Chain Lightning. And you can just clean all of them. Alright. That looks good. Dun, 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 dun. We are doing this so we can shoot them on the way out. Alright, because else I'm not gonna remember why I did this. So back to the skull, because the skull is gonna be... He's annoying me. As soon as I set... As soon as I set a velocity, he's not spawning in my position anymore. Actually, I contemplated to move him into the armor. Might be able to do that. Or just do another scene for him. That might be another idea. So I just spawn it on top of it. Not sure what's the best idea because I don't think I'm gonna use it that much. I think I would have to wait a little bit to do that. Actually, this might do it. Hold on. Because we're waiting a little bit, so his physics could update. Although this doesn't work either. Wait, did I just miss it? Okay, that worked. Why did it just go back there suddenly? That was interesting. I think I cannot do that as rigid body. Alright, let's do that. Move rigid body or rigid body to position. Hey Nocto, what's up? Sorry, I missed you kinda. I didn't have my chat open. How are you doing? I think I need to... I'm fine, man, thanks. I think I need to renode my armor because I don't want a rigid body here. we gonna do? I think just a sprite would be enough. Let's see. Oops. That was too much. So it's Friday, Nocto. I hope you're ready for the weekend. Alright, this should be good. Sounds good. Alright, linear velocity doesn't exist here, so we have to move him directly. Do I want to do that? Or I could just do. Yeah, I just get. That's true. That would be the right way to do. I need a character body. Let's just do it like that. Let's just do it like that. Skull sprite. Skull. Alright, then we just do skull, move, and slide. This should be it. Alright. Alright, this is not linear velocity, this is velocity. Where's my skull? Alright, this looks good, but still haven't seen my skull. Or did it just move out of the picture directly? Let's see what happens. Something weird is happening for sure. -1 shouldn't be that fast though. Alright, let's do it like that. Skull. Might not be able to do that. Alright, let's do... What's the notation for object? Just nil. Null. Alright, and we do it like that. Ah shit, that's gonna kill it at the start. I don't want to do that. Actually, I should do it. Let's see. If skull. And skull dot y. Where am I? Smaller than viewport. That should do it, I think. Skull. Q free. Let's kill it. Alright, let's debug this. Kill skull. Alright. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. And it's gonna be Act 2. Alright, let's see. Actually, I don't want this. I need to put this one up. If skull, then do this. Not skill, skull, please. You wrote skull here as well. Skill, I mean. All right. What's your problem? Oh, it's not skull, it's Act 2 skull. I'm sorry. Alright, it did not move it there. And can it XY? Oh, it's position, I'm an idiot. Alright, why didn't it move there? Why? Because this doesn't make sense. Alright, this makes more sense. Did it kill it? Didn't look like it. Position on base previously freed. I got... Okay, it got instantly... Alright, let's just do it like this. Position... Let's do it old school. Y minus equal delta times 100. This is stupid. I shouldn't have to do this, but sometimes. Okay, where does the skull go? That's weird. Why does it go somewhere where it shouldn't go? Let's try the global position. Maybe that will change anything. Still not. Where's my skull going? Yeah, that rat is fucking awesome, dude. I love it. I'm so proud of it. The first thing I did. It's so cool. And I love how they like... I love the fight at all. I mean, I'm playing it and it's fun to play. Even while debugging, it's fun to play. So, that's a good sign, I guess. Because I'm like, I gotta get those rats. Although my skull is doing shit. Why is my skull not working? Seriously. I don't want to have a script on my skull. And I don't want a scene for the skull. I might just let it float in the air. But that would be weird too. I don't get it. I really have to do a separate scene to load it in, I guess. That'd be the way to do it. But I kinda thought I could just keep it in here. Oh, actually. Ooh, I could just move it from here. I could just control it here. And I would have to call. Alright. Spawn skull. And we have a position here. And we do some spawning. Actually, we don't spawn it, but... Alright, and we have the skull here. Because what I'm trying to do, I wanted to spawn the skull at the start. So you think like you zap the skull out of skeleton. The wizard is like, what the hell is this? And the armor is like, don't worry about it, kill the rats. Don't worry about it. It's just the previous owner, doesn't matter. Alright, skull. And we can have ready process. If skull alive, then move around some. Add some gravity to it. Where's my skull? Skull. And skull. Position equals position and skull dot visible equals true. And yep, skull, not skill. And skull equals. Oh, we can actually check the visibility. That should do it. Skull dot visible. Okay, that's actually, I like that a lot. Spawn skull. And we just need to basically call owner spawn skull my position. We don't need to deal with all that bullshit in here. And I need to add something that is not moving while in cutscene, that's for sure. Alright, let's remove all of that. Remove this. And we add here skull visible and not cutscene. Cutscene is paused. The is paused, I don't like, already don't like that naming. Because the cutscene is not paused, the cutscene is playing. I should rename it to cutscene is playing. Where's my skull? Damn it! Why doesn't he spawn a skull? Alright, let's make it visible again. Hey, it's actually visible. Oh, that may be the problem. Why did he swallow all the rats? Okay, I need to up the invulnerability timer, I think. Yeah, let's put it to 1 second and 1 second out. Okay, that should be fine. Da, 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 da. So where's my skull? Worry about it later. Kill the rats. We're killing the rats. Can I actually swallow the rats? No, I cannot. I think the fireball should be unlimited cooldown because it's really hard to hit him. Although it might be a little bit bigger, then it might be harder. But it's really hard. I mean, with the... Like with the chain lightning, it's like blue, do 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 do. Like roasted rats. And I might need a rat counter. Maybe not. But I definitely need a timer, so you're timing out when you fall down. Because you should be able to die in this fight. Because you're not wearing the armor, so you might die. But Why? Why? Spawn him like a little bit more down here. Oh, I see why. His offset is all fucked. Why is his offset so fucked? Of course you don't see him because his offset is fucked. I just did all that for nothing. Oh well, it's the better implementation anyway, but his offset is still fucked. Why? This should be 0, 0. Alright. Now this should do it. Let's see. It has gravity and it's not moving. Yes, exactly what I wanted. And I want some rotation to it, so I need to figure out how to rotate it because it's too static that way. How do I rotate a player? Actually, now I could just redo it into what I originally wanted, into a rigid body. Anyway. Dude, let me type. Google. Rotate sprite. Let's just figure that out. How to rotate the sprite. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Wait, don't I have a rotation? I could just up it. Where's my skull? We have a rotation. Alright, let's just up the rotation with the delta. Where are you at? Alright, move and slide and skull. The rotation. Wait, we can actually rotate it with, let's just do radians. What the hell is a radian? No idea. It's actually rotating, but fast too fast. It's spinning like crazy. Alright, let's cut that down. Let's do... It's still fucking fast. Alright. Let's just do that. That looks good. That looks really good. I do want it to spawn a little bit out of it though. I'm gonna add an offset to this one. And let's see, what offset do I have when I calculate the damage? Wait, how do I do this? Okay, calc damage, show damage. Somehow I do show damage. Where is it? Where's my show damage? Come on. It's my lightning, shoot, blah, 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 blah. Am I blind? Calc damage, hit. Okay, body hit. Alright, that's what I wanted. I do hit a hit. Vector, alright. Show text. No, that's not it. Dude. What are you laughing at, Nocto? There's nothing to laugh at. Display damage. I'm fucking blind. Alright, offset. Let's just spawn it where the damage spawns. Spawn call, skull, plus. Alright. It's actually 10 and 80. Alright. Should be good. And we need to remove that one. Alright, and afterwards I need to... That's actually good. You saw that, Nocto, right? Do you see this? Is it visible enough? Yeah, the flying rats are awesome. Do you notice the skull when I zap it? Is it like noticeable? It's like, there's a skull. Alright. So it's going up, that's fine. I like this, looks pretty good. I mean, the skull looks gonna be better once the designer gets his hand on it. Actually, we can remove this rat now. And the skull. You're going... Actually, can I can remove it from here. Just had it as display because I liked it so much. Alright, that's cool. Looks really cool. I need to do the font. I need my own font, dude. It's so annoying. Okay, that's cool. I love the flying rats too, man. It's so funny. Look at them go. Yep, the tails is awesome. Thought of that on the later stage because I was like, first I just had them flying upside down and I was like, that's too boring. How are they like propelling each other? Then I was like, yeah, they have to propel. They have to have a propeller. That's so good. All right, now we need to implement a health bar. And we need a health bar for the armor. It's actually the first time I do the health bar for something, so I'm probably gonna implement it similarly to everyone. I'm not sure if I put it vertical or horizontal. Or below it. What do you think, Nocto? Left, below, top? Below? Yeah, below is gonna be... I don't know if below is gonna be the right thing because it's a top down, right? I mean, here it works and the sky works, but when you're top down, below is gonna be a bit annoying, I think. I think on top is gonna be the best bet. But just like do a normal bar, that's just like boring. It should be like something more fun. Well, I can think of that later. The system is gonna be the same anyway. Because it's just gonna be the same thing. Texture progress bar. Alright. Let's just call it health. And let's just put it like that. Do I actually need to do a texture or not? Under, over, progress, offset. I think I need a progress texture, right? I can just do a gradient, I guess. For now, I'm gonna change that later on. Make it pretty. Why can I not do it smaller? Let's just try it like that, see what it looks like. We're ready. We're gonna give it health. It's gonna be Act 2 because in Act 1 we don't need any health. Although this is kind of global, so it should give it health here. Why are you... What did I do? Why are you annoying me here? Alright. Let's do health. Let's give it like 1,000 health. I think like 1,000 should be fine at the start. See how much it does. And need to put it to 1,000. Minimum value is 0. Yep, you're dying when you're 0. You're dying when you're 0, so let's see. We have the hit. Where's my hit calculation? There's my damage, display damage. You have crit or not crit, doesn't matter. When you're fighting, it's not because we're immune, but here we need to add the damage. So health minus equal damage. How much is it? Oh, it's the value actually. Value X, because X is the value and Y is if it's crit or not. Let's just rename that one real quick because it's not a constant. And stick to our naming scheme. Alright, let's see if that works already. Chew. And we cannot see it. Alright. Why is it wrong? What the hell is this? I think I might have renamed that. Don't worry about it later. Killer rats. Don't worry. Killer rats. Alright. I need to take off some debug because else I cannot see shit. Alright. Now let's see why my health bar is not showing. Why are you not showing? Actually, let's just do it black for now and see what it does. Progress offset, minimum value, blah 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 blah. Why is it not showing? You might have to do this here. Let's just try it. Ah, okay, I get it. I get it. That's gonna be the fill, I guess. Else we're gonna, I gotta Google that afterwards. Let's just fill it with whatever. Let's do also a gradient here, but let's just do some different colors. Let's actually do it pitch black. Do this one white. All right, black, black, white, and let's do this. Oh, what are you doing? Dude, nope. Give me color, give me color. Let's just do it like that. See what happens. See how that looks like. that health bar though. Let's see if it moves if we kill it. It should move, right? Because we're doing damage. We're doing like 90 damage and it does 1,000, so that should take 10% out of it. Then it's not doing it. So something's clearly wrong. Let's see if the code is working. Health bar, health, blah blah blah. Since we see the damage, we should see the health going down. Oh, actually I'm an idiot. We need to update the health bar. We need to update the health bar. Else it's not gonna do anything. Health bar, which is a texture progress bar. And where is my head? Calc damage, display damage was it? Health bar dot, was it text or value? Don't remember. Let's check. I think I have a health bar here. Nope. Is it like 0? Oh, it's here. Where do we... Position its value actually, okay. Its value. Is it receding? Still not see any progress in it though. I might just put in normal. Hold on. Let's just Google that real quick. Godot texture progress bar. There's docs. All right. Da 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 da. 3 textures instead of. Oh, I can theme it. Let's just theme it. And we can do it later on. That is good. All right, let's just remove those. Where's my theme? All right, did that do anything? I'm not sure. Right, that doesn't show anything. I might just take a normal health bar and rework it later on if I have to. Although let's just check it out. There's no tutorial in here. This is always broken. Just mute this. Alright, what's he doing? Size, blah, don't care. Progress bar. Well, progress bar, I know how to do. Texture progress bar, something different. Alright, that's a progress. That makes sense. Life bar over, life bar under. Oh, so it gives kind of texture. Okay, I get it. Okay, we don't want to do that at the moment. We're just going to redo this. Progress bar. Alright, and let's theme it. Oh, we already themed it. Why is it? Alright, there's still southern steps. Steps is one page, no page. Rounded. Why not? Begin, blah blah blah. Size. Why can't I do it smaller? Because of the percentage, I guess. Yep. Alright, let's just try like that. See what happens. Yep, sorry sir. Progress bar, not texture. Alright, that seems to work. But I think it's too much elf. Although, if you hit it, it goes down pretty fast. So you can just... I have to tune it afterwards anyway. I need to reevaluate all the values as well. Alright, is that. So we need to implement a def. So if he dies, yep. Wait, did it say something that there's only one dev? That'd be insane, man. Oh yeah, sure. If they plain out came out and said there's only one dev working on it, I probably would unsub. Because I'm not paying $1,000 a year for one dev, man. I know it's probably one dev, but they're rather not saying to me. They rather not say it to me. Alright, we need to implement the def. Where's the def? And we need to emit it, and when the armor dies. Alright. Signal death. And where's my hit? What's worse? Them telling you they have one dev, or them having a whole ass team that does not... You're not wrong there. You're not wrong there. I'm not sure what's worse. I mean, to be honest, if they had a whole team and they were just doing nothing, I would understand it, because the code is so shitty. Because I looked at the code I used to program for a private server some time ago, and it's shit as hell. Anyway, I would understand why they wouldn't be able to do stuff. But yeah, I think both. I mean, the whole situation is bad anyway. However you want to turn it, it's shit. Wait, where am I? Display damage. Here I am. Alright. If health smaller equals 0, death dot emit. Alright, we just died. And when we die, we need to actually stop the background from scrolling Actually, we need to subscribe to dying. Armor. Death. Connect. Armor. Armor. Death. Actually, like this. Armor death, and what we need to do then is, what do you find fascinating? Fascinating. Variable armor dead equal true. Most people who learn to code around the world are never learning how to code in English. That is true. That is true, actually. You don't have a choice, basically. That's what happens. Where did I can actually do it like this. Func armor dead equals true. What's your problem? Oh, that's your problem. So if, all right, actually I want to do, most people learn to speak two languages, and imagining Americans can better speak one. Well, yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. Armor dyed it. We have to call that dyed it, come on. Alright, and what we need to do, I want the player to go into the middle. And basically, going to the middle, the background will stop scrolling and you fall to the death. And you're dead. And somehow I need to reload the scene. I wonder if I should do it, I just reload it. I guess I just reload it. So you have to try again, basically. Alright, so what we need to do is move the player to the center. And, or I might just do it where it is. Yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. Wrong. Equals true. So let's just see how that looks. If armor dead. Actually, if armor dead. Return. Right. Armor died. Reset scene. So we have to stop scrolling. That's what we do with that one. And we have to let the player fall to his death, basically. And we're gonna do that with inverting the gravity. Might have to reset all the stuff as well. Let's see. Let's try to wreck him as fast as possible. I don't even know which one does the most damage. I think tornadoes do a shitload of damage. It's far too slow. Ooh, and I can steer against it. No, I don't want to die. 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 Don't let me die. Alright. We need to despawn the armor. We didn't do that. Q free. We're despawning because we died. Might have to do death animation. Maybe it'll explode or something, I don't know. But we need to do this farm faster. We need to gravity times maybe 100. And I don't know if I could just freeze it. I can just freeze the player. Freeze the player. Alright, armor dead, player freeze. Alright, that should do it. Let's wreck it. Actually should only show the health bar when it's not 100% full. Some tornadoes out. I should disable collisions for tornadoes. I really do. Ooh, what happened? Who's doing annoying thing? Okay, I should just hide it. I shouldn't free it. That's not a good idea. Yep, they do. They do. But I don't want. They shouldn't interact with. Hold on. I think that's. Yep, that's the one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna free the armor. I'm just gonna hide it. Where is it? All right. I'm just gonna visible equals false. Now the tornado shouldn't interact anymore because I don't want the tornadoes to move around the armor. That's not good. All right, hold on. Still getting pushed. Why? Shouldn't get pushed anymore. Doesn't matter, I can DPS really hard like that. Alright. I don't know how to do this cool, because if you die like out on the rim here, you don't really see him falling to the death. And 100 might be a little bit hard. How much is gravity? That's doubling the speed. I need to check what the tornadoes are doing. Where am I? I just disappeared, basically. Why did it just disappear? Alright, let's check the tornado. Why is it doing... Yep, the song is cool. So why is it colliding and the fireball is not? That might be it. There's only 2 and 4 here. Yeah, this is the problem. The hell is this? Actually, I should freeze the rat when he does that. It's much cooler. So you see all the rats coming out. Let's just do that real quick. Rat. Okay, that's gotta be annoying. I think I have to do this differently. I think I have to do this differently. Alright. Else. Yep, we're just gonna do this here. Random direction. Actually, we can do it here. Alright, this should do it. And we have to do this. If cutscene return. So they're not moved because I don't want them moving out when they're passing around. So, and I need a lifetime. So I can do the timing a little bit differently. Because I want to be able to interrupt it whenever I can. So... Alright. And we have to implement this differently. If lifetime greater 1. Set this. If lifetime greater 3. Do this and go back. Alright, this should do it. Don't need that. I like this song. Alright, this looks... Actually, that's not good because I only want to count the lifetime when the cutscene is not running. Alright, this should do it. They're still moving. Why are they moving? I think I need to remove their velocity. If cutscene... Linear velocity should be vector to 0. Or I can just clamp it to their position. That would also work. Let's see if that works. I also just clamp it to their position. Oh, that didn't work. But they are flying back, which is good. Why are they flying back? They shouldn't not fly back because cutscene. Oh, yes, that was a problem. Of course, that didn't do anything. All right, perfect. What else is this? Worry about it later. Kill the rats. Might have to do it a little bit later. Actually, Where do I play the... Yep, the reds are awesome. The reds are awesome. Where do I play the cutscene? I think I played on the armor. Is that right? Spawn rats. Yeah, let's get them a little bit further out. That's too much. Yeah, that's perfect. What else is this? I don't like it. I get pissed every time I see it. I have to change it. Where is it? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Kill the rats. Alright. Dude, Nocto, do you want to actually see it from the start? Because I coded some stuff from the start. Right, that should function. So the problem was still that alright, that's a little bit too slow. Little bit too slow. Oh, we don't have to multiply it. That was the problem. I multiplied it before. Alright. A little bit more. And when I actually get out of the viewport, I should restart the scene. Let's see. Scene switcher. So if you're dead, I'm dead, and actually I can do that with an animation though. Shouldn't I do that with an animation? The problem is I don't know the position of the player. Alright, let's do it like this. Player the Y is actually smaller than get viewport rec.y. And we need to reload this scene. All right. See if that works. What's your problem? Oh, size. I like how the chain lightning is just out of range when you start. Alright, why didn't that not trigger? Right, kill, let's get rid of that one. So why didn't I not trigger? Just debug that. Because this should have been triggered. All right, let's see this. Let's just tornado his ass real quick. Tornado does a little bit too much damage, I think. Oh, he never arrives here. Never mind, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. This should do it. Wait, there's an if missing. Alright. Let's rack it real quick. Why are you running? Why are you running? What's your problem? On character body? Oh, it's position. I'm an idiot. Position. Zappy zappy. Yep, zap the rats. Okay, that was a little bit too fast. Why did it not reload it? Why? Smaller. Oh, actually it needs to be bigger. I don't need it. Also, why did the scene switcher not work? That was weird. See why it's not working. Okay, I know why it's calling it infinite times. Good question. Do I need another variable here? Or reload? Not reload. Let's nuke it. Nuke the rats. Nuke the armor, come on. What are you doing? Leish. Alright, that worked cool. So you just have to restart. Because you died. Do I have to write it down that you died? Probably not. That should be clear enough, right? If I do some nice destruction animation. Let's not worry about it for now. I can still augment it later on. What I need to implement is actually winning this scene. I still need to move it to some position, so... Alright, I think I still need to do this. So the middle point... Our player reached middle. I wonder how I'm gonna do this. Good question. How am I gonna do this when they actually reach their target? Actually win. We'll see. Because I want to do that with some animations, but when I have some animations I need to exactly know their positions so I can play it. Actually, I don't. Alright, we need to add some more dialogue because I think that was all the rats. Let me rejoin you so I can save us both. Do I need to respond something to that? Probably not. I can just make it that you have to fly through the armor. That's a good point. I could do that. So the red count is 100. When the red count is 0, I need to play it. If it's bigger than 0. No, actually it should be on red killed. We're done, so we're gonna dialogue it up. The armor is gonna say blah 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 blah. And you need to rejoin it, so you need to go into the armor. That's a good question. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna think about that later, I think. But for now, I'm just gonna pull this, and we need to make sure that the player actually rejoins it. I could actually just reactivate the armor moth. That's a good idea. Where is it? Enable collision. Off. All right. All right. enable it. But what does that mean? That means one. Let's see how I did it there. One armor player swallowed. I made it. Perfect. All right. We can subscribe to the event and print rejoined. All right, let's see if that works. All right, let's just kill those rat bastards. Let's just do it easy mode with infinite chain lightning. Well, that was the wrong dialogue. That was the wrong dialogue. Which one is it? 6. Alright, 6. Where's 6? Might need to do a rat counter. I wanna do a time based, so you have a fixed amount of time to do this, so you can slag around. So it should be pretty hard. I think that was alright. So let me rage on you. Alright. I need to redo this. 13. Why did I use 13? Prepare finish. Game ended. Wait, is that the right one? Which particles are emitting here? I'm in the armor mouth, okay. Player. Collision player, self-enabled equals false. And prepare to finish. Okay. If state equal states dot fighting. Only want to do this when you're fighting. Other than that, we don't want to do this. I'm not sure what game ended did, so... Oh, okay, he's not doing anything anymore. That's pretty good though. Let's keep that. Alright. Let's do some rat extermination. Why can't I rejoin? That was weird. That was weird. I just finished. Never mind. If state equal falling, print act 1 is finished. And I should probably despawn all the rats, so I should put all the rats in a group. Monster, probably. Was it monster? This player, let's just do rat, doesn't matter. Rat. And in group no, it's in group, that was it. All right, I don't want to do this here though. I can do it in the play swallowed. Actually, no. Actually, I can do it in armor. Shouldn't use it that much more. So it should be fine. Where was I? Act 1. There. I wonder if there's a smarter way to do this. Not to do this in here. I might just do this with a signal because this theoretically shouldn't be done in here either. If I ever use the armor, then this is gonna be shit in here. Alright, we can do this. I might just do this right now because it's gonna be easier than afterwards. Signal. But why would I do this here? The signal makes no sense in here. Ugh. The signal makes no sense in here. This should be signaled directly. Should just signal call player. Signal. That makes more sense. Caught player. That makes so much more sense. Alright, this should be in the general part. And this should just be caught player.emit. This should just be extended to this one. And we need to hook up to the signal from the armor. Call player, yes. And we're doing this. It's actually armor. Get object name. I have to recheck afterwards if that still works out, but I think that should still do it. What is he? Ah, fuck. He's doing... it's just gonna be armor. Finish. What is armor finish doing? Shouldn't that be... And we're also gonna do card player dot emit here. Is it caught? All right, and we need to do this also here. Card player. All right, print. Finish scene. And to do finish scene. Don't know how it's gonna go on. Or what's the bad thing? If they land somewhere, if he just, the armor can just float now. And they slowly float toward the ground. That's probably the best thing. But, alright. Armor plays swallowed? Why would I need to know this here? Dude, that's basically... Hold on. Isn't that the same? I'm confused. Prefer to finish. Red Army. Red Army indeed. Red Army indeed. So, I have a problem. I have a problem here. Self-enabled alls, that's fine. Get parent, prefer finish. That's also okay. As I was caught, that's fine. But why do I have two events which basically do the same thing? First player swallowed, emitted. Okay. But I should probably do this differently. Why do I commit to that? On armor player swallowed? What am I doing? Player swallowed. And then. Okay. That's that one. That's fine. Player swallowed. That's fine. That should, but player swallowed should also be the same thing for. I think I have to redesign this because this is weird. Not sure it makes sense. On final jump. That's fine. That's the last animation where he gets swallowed. Probably shouldn't do this with a jump, but with an animation that would be easier to handle. Prepare, but why am I doing this here? Dude. We're finished. Game is ended. That just means I could just put it into this idle state. Game ended makes no sense. State. Let's check if that's the same thing. Yep, it's exactly the same thing. And I should use the idle state. I introduced that later on, so that's why. But it makes much more sense. So alright, state equal states dot idle. Particles emitting. What particles are emitting? What are the particles? Of particles? Why are they emitting? Oh, it's false. Okay. Fair enough. That's good, I guess. Can do this here. We could just basically But where is it doing? Okay. Ending. Why is it doing the last jump? Don't get it. Hold on. Let's check if that's still working, because I'm not sure this is still working. Why can't I'm an idiot. Okay, yeah, this is not working anymore. That's what I thought. But I need to do this differently. This should be an animation instead of something which I'm emitting. So basically we don't basically only have the player swallowed. And then you can emit that and do this on the animation timer. So should do an animation player. And the animation is basically gonna be the armor swallow. Yes, I'm gonna call it then. Armor scale. And it's gonna be, where's the do jump? Should be jump cooldown, blah 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 blah. Oh, I already have one. Armor sprites, jump. Oh, I'm gonna do it swallow anyway, because jump. How is jump looking? But jump is not different. What the fuck? How is that? Doesn't matter. Just do it 1.5 and back to 1. Alright, we can just let it like that. It's gonna be fine. And we need animation player. Animation player. All right, and a swallow call player. In both cases, we're gonna play swallow. Then we can nicely divide it between what's happening. Okay, that's gonna be nice because I can just now do animation finished. All right, this is gonna be all the way up here. If animation equals swallow, we have two cases. Either we're in caught player or swallowed player. Actually should be swallowed player. That's fitting name. Yeah, player swallow because it's finished. It's basically the same thing where we keep it separate so we can discern it. This should just be this one. State blah blah blah. Okay, and we have to see where else this is. States a final jump time. Ah, that's a timer. Okay, where do I set this timer? Oops. Dude. Alright, finish. Where do I call finish? Alright. File jump timer can cost false. Finish, but where do we call the finish? Because this is another one which doesn't make sense. Do we even call this somewhere? Oh yeah, after the on armor card player. I call it finish. Does it make sense? Finish, and we do the final jump. This is like, I'm calling several stuff like left and right. This doesn't make sense. Okay, we don't do jumps anymore. We could process high, we can do this. Player can cast, fine, that's fine. Actually, you should freeze the player. Can cast is kind of idiotic. There's swallow limit, hide, status, fighting. It should just be after the animation. So we can just do this. Alright. Fighting, player swallow, emitted. Why am I doing that anyway? Player swallowed equals true. Ah, okay, that's just because notify. Okay, maybe we should notify that next cost from player will end scene. Alright. And here it's just like notify to end scene. Alright. I think I'm gonna take a break now because my brain is hurting and I need to get something to drink. Yep, brain hurt indeed. Thanks for watching. And see you next time. Bye bye, Nocto.